welcome back to the Adroit Architecture YouTube channel. This is your go-to place for architectural and project management services. We handle both residential and commercial projects. Karibuni sana. As always, a big thank you for those who have been with us before, giving us your support. We really appreciate and value that support. If this is your first time joining us, you're most welcomed. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. We really appreciate that support. And turn on your notifications so that you can be notified every time we have a new video up. Today we have another amazing home design to share with you. Join me and let's take a look at the Imara 5-bedroom house plan. This is yet another amazing and spacious home design for a family that is looking to build a comfortable and luxurious home. So if you're out there looking for a high-end prime development with spacious rooms and outdoor porches, you're gonna love this one. Let's take a look at some key features of the Imara 5-bedroom house plan. 1. You have 2 master bedroom wings, one upstairs and one downstairs. This gives you the option to choose where you want your master bedroom to be. Many couples find that they have a big advantage in having their master bedroom downstairs to avoid dealing with staircases as they grow older. Number 2, the entrance lobby is a proper entrance lobby. Here you have your cloak room, your staircase, but you also have more than enough space to set up a reception area for your guests. A lobby helps a lot when it comes to filtering your guests and safeguarding the privacy of your home. Number 3, this beautiful home comes with 3 porches and 1 balcony, each serving a different function. This gives you a lot of outdoor space to work with. Let's take a look at the floor plan setup. You have a double volume semi-enclosed entrance porch that brings you into the entrance lobby of this home. The entrance lobby is spacious and functional. Here you have the visitors' cloak room and the staircase. As I said earlier, the entrance lobby is a great space to filter your guests and only give access to those you wish. It allows you to privatize the rest of your home. Ahead from the entrance lobby, you have an extra spacious living room complete with a fireplace. This works well for those living in cold climates. Full-length double doors lead from the living room to the back porch. This is a porch that you can use for all your outdoor entertainment, a great chill-out spot. On one side of the living room, you have your spacious kitchen, and right ahead, you have your dining room. These 2 rooms are set up in an open plan setup, giving you great functionality and ease of movement. On one side of the kitchen, you have a fully loaded laundry room, and on the other side of the kitchen, you have a walk-in pantry. Back to the entrance lobby. On the left side, you have the downstairs master bedroom wing. This is a spacious and luxurious master bedroom wing, perfect for the couple who do not want to deal with staircases up and down. Here, you have a spacious master bedroom, a walk-in closet, as well as the master bathroom. A door leads from the master bedroom suite to the side porch. This side porch gives you another chill-out spot where you can just hang out and enjoy the outdoors. The side porch easily connects to the back porch, giving you one large outdoor entertainment space. From the kitchen, right next to the laundry room, you have a door that takes you to yet another side porch. This side porch is essentially your kitchen backyard. On the other side of your kitchen, right after the pantry, you have a self-contained guest wing. This essentially contains a bedroom with its own private bathroom. You can use this as a guest wing, or you could decide to use this for your domestic servants' quarters. Upstairs, you have your second master bedroom wing. This second master bedroom wing comes with a spacious closet area and a private master bathroom. You also have a spacious private master bedroom balcony. You have 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. These 2 bedrooms are perfectly sized for an individual occupant, and these 2 bedrooms have a shared bathroom. This bathroom sits right between the 2 bedrooms. So for the Imara 5-bedroom house plan, you are going to need a 1/4 acre piece of land to build this beautiful home. It comes with a plinth dimension of 15.6 meters by 18.5 meters. The plinth dimension is basically the footprint of the building. The total area of this beautiful 5-bedroom home is a total of 262 square meters. On the ground floor, you have 172 square meters. On the top floor, you have 72 square meters, and you have an additional 18 square meters of terraces. As of April 2023, the cost of construction for this beautiful home is approximately 10.5 million. We use the construction cost handbook to estimate the construction cost. This is a handbook that is provided and updated every year by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This is a good rate to have in mind, but always remember a lot of factors affect the cost of construction, especially the location of your project and the finishes that you use. And that is the Imara 5-bedroom home, featuring 5 bedrooms with 2 master bedroom suites, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you would like to contact us, we have provided our telephone contacts as well as our email addresses below. Get in touch with us if you're interested in this house plan or any other house plan. Always remember, all our house plans can be customized to fit your needs and your budget. This is Irene. I'll see you in our next video.